Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore creative and inspiring ways to elevate your home decor. In today's video, we are diving into the enchanting world of wall home decor using mirrors. Mirrors are more than just functional items, they can be stunning statement pieces that add depth, light, and elegance to any room. From small spaces to grand living areas, we will show you how to use mirrors creatively to enhance the beauty and style of your home. So let's get started with our journey into the mesmerizing world of mirror home decor. The illusion of space. One of the most magical aspects of mirror is their ability to create an illusion of space. If you have a small room or a cramped hallway, strategically placing mirrors on the wall can instantly open up the area, making it feel more spacious and inviting. Consider hanging a large and decorative mirror opposite a window to reflect natural light and give the impression of a bigger, brighter room. Mirrored wall panels for a touch for glamour and sophistication. It's an excellent choice. These panels can be custom cut to fit any wall size and shape, adding a touch of luxury to your living space. Mirrored panels work exceptionally well in the entryways, living rooms, and dining areas, adding a sense of grandeur and elegance. A great gallery wall is a fantastic way to showcase your creativity and personality. Mix and match various mirror shapes and sizes to create an eye-catching arrangement on your wall. Circular, rectangular, or even asymmetrical mirrors can add an element of interest and intrigue your home decor. Remember to experiment with different frame styles and finishes to complement your exciting interior design. Mirror art and etchings. Unleash your artistic side by incorporating mirrors with etched designs or painted accents. You can find mirrors adorned with intricate patterns, motifs, or abstract art that become focal point in any room. These unique pieces not only reflect light but also become conversation starters, adding a touch of individuality to your space. Mirrored shelves and displays maximize both function and style by using them. These practical additions not only provide storage spaces but also create a visually stunning showcase for your collectibles, photographs, or cherished keepsakes. The mirrors serve as a backdrop, highlighting the items displayed and adding a touch of elegance to overall setup. Mirrored furniture accents incorporate them into your decor to make a bold and glamorous statement. Items like mirrored side tables, dressers, or console tables can becoming the focal point of any room. The reflective surfaces of these furniture pieces add depth and a sense of luxury, enhancing the ambience of your living space. And there you have it, a captivating journey through the world of wall home decor with mirrors. By using mirrors creatively, you can transform any room into a stunning and sophisticated space that captivates the eye and elevates your home style. From creating an illusion of space, incorporating mirrored art and furniture accents, the possibilities are truly endless. We hope you enjoyed this video and found inspiration for your next home decor project. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more inspiring content. Thank you.